On your mark, get set, go! This is the Dogtown USA Canicross Dog and Jog Event.
Canicross is where you're running with your dog attached to you via a leash. They're in a harness to your belt.
The event benefits Big Brothers Big Sisters of Central Oregon, of which we're a proud sponsor of.
So you have your serious runners, and you have people who just want to get out and jog with their dogs, or do whatever. Or even today we had a kids race, a 400-meter kids race.
As a mother, I have 2 teenagers who are in the program. So even before I worked with Big Brother Big Sister, I knew for a fact this is a great program because my kids they are in the program. So I know for a fact it's amazing.
It's my pleasure to come out here today. I've had a great time, and looks like everybody else has too.
We can race to